back for more, yeah. Gotta make it out somehow. She knows how to hold you down, pulling you back to bed, getting inside your head. Give and she'll take it, bend and she'll break it. It's a dangerous game.
So